Hi guys, this will be episode 4 in my series where I'm converting this LIDL glider to radio control. In the previous episode I cut the canopy off so we could have a look inside, see if we got space there to put the radio control gear. We'll have to melt that out with a hot soldering iron or something, but we can put it there. Now, one thing I mentioned in that episode was I was thinking of pushing a tube right the way up through the middle so that we could push the push rods in there so they come out nicely at the back. Now, I've had a look. I couldn't get the sort of thickness carbon fibre tubes that I wanted to use. I can get carbon fibre rods, but not tubes. The tubes are about quarter of an inch minimum, which is a bit bigger than I wanted. I could still put a single one up the middle there to give us extra strength, but then I was discussing with the guy in the shop, a genuine model shop, Ian Harper Models, Wells Road in Bristol, and saying I was thinking of putting carbon fibre tubes up either side then. And then we had a look at just using the normal, or they're normal now for modern radio control gear, pushrod tubes. Now these are plastic, so they're not rigid like carbon fibre, but I was thinking if I glue them on either side, that will still strengthen the tail section, or the back of the fuselage. I could either just cut a small slot in there or melt a slot there just to push them into, or even just surface mount them. Depends how pretty I want it to look when it's finished. But that would give us, underneath the wing there to the back, that will give us our rudder and elevator control. And then I was thinking I could possibly even mount the servos back here a little bit, sticking out either side, so that they'll link up with the end here. So that's how I'm thinking at the moment. It's not going to be such a pretty modification, but I've got 3 of these to work on, so we might just try this as the first effort. So I'll cut holes in there for the servos to go in, glue these along the sides, and melt a hole in there for the radio gear, and the battery will have to go in there as well. Oh, just to put things in perspective, $7.99 for the plane. I've actually forgotten how much these were. Balsa glue, or suitable for balsa, £4.99. I bought myself some balsa. I've been trying to avoid buying balsa wood, but in one of the videos I've been watching, the guys replaced the actual elevator section of the tail with balsa. So I might do that, because that might be a convenient way of being able to link the two together, because if we just cut through there, you can see we'll have a problem with this bit sticking up. So balsa, £13.99 for that lump of bits. So that's double the price of the plane. These clips to go on the end of the push rod, 20p each, so we need at least 4 of them. So that's £1 worth. In fact, I think I've got 6. Should be another one somewhere. Elevator horns, £1.99 for a pair. So I've actually spent £28.16 and we're no closer to getting it in the air at the moment. Plus obviously there's the radioed gear to go with it. Still, enough of me moaning. We'll probably have to do episode 5 to get these stuck in place.